Have you ever tried to engage people with an Excel file or a PowerPoint slide? Good luck, doesn't work so well. In order to engage people and get the buy-in and support you in the challenges you face, you need to connect to people on an emotional level. And one of the fantastic tools that you have at your disposal is storytelling. On the last day of the program, we bring in an actor who practices storytelling with participants. He puts them on the stage and coaches them directly on the spot so that the learning will have a direct impact on their business life when they come back to their companies.